It is 35 degrees right now. I've been trying to edit in the shade, but my laptop was overheating, so I had to put it in the fridge for a little while to cool it down. So that's about that's how things are going at the moment. There's currently a bushfire. I can't tell how bad it is.
Bloody cop have shut me off here. Cheers, mate.
Cops just said to turn around.
Do you need anyone up there with you?
Everyone's just pulled over at the roadhouse, and the only thing to do is just wait and see if there's any changes. See if the fire gets further and we have to go further back. Hopefully not. That's about it. Cars are starting to go, so I think that means the roads are open. I'm through the bushfires now, so I don't have anything to worry about. Got a nice view. I do have to probably find a different camp spot for tonight. I see you everywhere. It's October now, so the humidity is getting a bit worse. I just left Cooktown and I'm in the Black Mountain National Park, just a lookout, but it's pretty cool. All the scenery is really beautiful here, and I'm enjoying that part, but I think I'm just getting burnt out from all the solo travel. It feels a bit like I'm not making the most of the time here, because there's a few places where I'm kind of just driving past, not wanting to take the time or the detour, or places that look cool but they're too touristy, so I don't really want to be by myself around a bunch of people. It's been just over a month since I left Darwin, which means about a month of no meaningful social interactions at all. Partly because I've been in more remote places, partly because I'm just not anywhere long enough to get to know someone for more than like a few minutes, and partly because I'm just not good at socializing. So I'm like stuck at the moment between enjoying the scenery but being very indecisive about what I do, because I have a lot of freedom being alone, which is great, but the problem is it's like too much freedom, there's too much potential, and I don't know which way to direct it or where to actually go from this point. I'm like living the dream at this amazing lookout, and I'm also like, I don't know what to do with all of my time, and in a way that makes it boring and just feel kind of yeah, like I'm over it at this point. I'm still like, I'm excited for some places I've still got to go, but yeah, I've been traveling alone for so long. I'm also, at this point, yeah, it gets tiring. These are fully problems I've put on myself. I don't really have a right to complain. But yeah, it's just interesting, like, even away from the rest of the world, I still find ways to get stressed out. And yeah, I feel like there's something missing. It's a new day. I'm heading towards Port Douglas now, and I can just see from this lookout the ocean way over there. It's a nice view. Okay, so I'm leaving Cairns. I just got back from Adelaide NatGat, which was so nice, being around other people again, much nicer weather, training, moving around, doing some parkour, just, yeah, not being alone in the humidity of Northern Queensland. I think I've hit a point on the trip where I'm just like, I've got the most out of it, at least out of the remote parts. I definitely don't regret doing the trip, but I think if I continue to just stay out here longer, the positive sides of it are diminishing and the negative effects of solo travel are increasing. So I'm gonna get going, heading towards Brisbane now.
Lying on the grass, talking so old. Living under a rhino, we grew so bold. Lying on our days, we were outlaws, but catch me if you can, never wiped out. Trying to catch a wave, trying to break out. I guess I didn't know. And now I'm gone, but it don't hurt me anymore. That's just the way it goes. Yeah, I should've known. But heard you talking to the walls late last night. The runaways just grazing half-lives.
I'm heading to the biggest waterfall in Australia. Just had a quick stop, and the weather for once has turned really nice. It's starting to rain and there's a bit of wind, and it's just a lot less humid than it has been the past entire time I've been in this area. So yeah, that's actually really nice, getting some rain and not sweating every 5 seconds. I'm just enjoying this lookout and about to get going.
This hill is very steep.